Hello friends, in this video you can see the question paper and answers of AIBE 19 exam conducted by All India Bar Examination. Before watching this video, support us by subscribing to our AN Study Academy YouTube channel. The question paper of AIBE 19 conducted by All India Bar Examination on December 22, 2024 consists of 100 questions which we will cover in 4 parts in 4 videos. This is the 4th part of a video that contains questions and answers for questions 76 to 100. Question number 76. Section 31 of the Specific Relief Act 1963 is related to dash. Option A, cancellation of instruments. Option B, declaratory decrees. Option C, factual injunction. Option D, rescission of contracts. The correct answer is option A, cancellation of instruments. Question number 77. In which case did the Supreme Court of India held that fundamental rights cannot be waived? Option A, Kamaleshwar Singh versus State of Bihar. Option B, Gokulnath versus State of Punjab. Option C, Basheshwar Nath versus IT Commissioner. Option D, Gopala versus State of Madras. The correct answer is option C, Basheshwar Nath versus IT Commissioner. Question number 78. By which constitutional amendment was clause 4B inserted into Article 16? Option A, 91. Option B, 77. Option C, 85. Option D, 81. The correct answer is option D, 81. Question number 79. Which of the following statement is correct about 106th Constitutional Amendment Act? Number 1. It introduced Article 239A by which seats are reserved for women in Legislative Assembly of the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Number 2. It introduced Article 338 providing for the reservation of seats for women in the House of People. Point 3. It also adds Article 334A which states in that the said amendment will commence after the first census have been taken after the commencement of the said act. Point 4. The above stated shall case to have effect on the expiration of a period of 15 years from such commencement. Option A, 1, 3 and 4. Option B, 2, 3, 4. Option C, all of this. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. The answer is this question has been withdrawn because it is incorrect. Question number 80. The Parliament enacts the Fair Housing Act 2024, which includes the following provisions. Point 1. Section 3 prohibits discrimination in renting or selling houses based on religion, caste, or gender. Point number 2. Section 6 imposes a penalty of 10,000 rupees for discrimination. Point 3. Section 10 makes it mandatory for landlords to disclose the religious background of all tenants in the previous 10 years. A citizen challenges Section 10, arguing that it violated the right to privacy under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. The Supreme Court declares Section 10 unconstitutional but upholds the other provisions of the law. What principle did the court apply in this decision? Option A, doctrine of severability. Option B, doctrine of basic structure. Option C, doctrine of colorable legislation. Option D, doctrine of eclipse. The correct answer is, this question has been withdrawn because it is incorrect. Question number 81. The reports of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India relating to the accounts of the state shall be submitted to the dash. Option A, Committee on Public Undertakings. Option B, Estimates Committee. Option C, Public Accounts Committee. Option D, Governor. The correct answer is option D, Governor. Question number 82. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India declares that the Supreme Court shall be a court of record? Option A, Article 111. Option B, Article 129. Option C, Article 135. Option D, Article 119. The correct answer is option B, Article 129. Question number 83. In which case was a registered society held to be an authority for the purpose of Article 12? Option A, Ajay Hasiya versus Khalid Mujib. Option B, Sukhdev versus Bhagat Ram. Option C, R.D. Shetty versus International Airport Authority. Option D, Som Prakash versus Union of India. The correct answer is option A, Ajay Hasiya versus Khalid Mujib. Question number 84. Which constitutional amendment act inserted provisions related to GST? Option A, 100. Option B, 101. Option C, 102. Option D, 99. The correct answer is option B, 101. Question number 85. Who can initiate impeachment proceedings against the President of India? Option A, Supreme Court. Option B, only Lok Sabha. Option C, Rajya Sabha. Option D, either House of Parliament. The correct answer is option D, either House of Parliament. Question number 86. Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita 2023 considers force to be criminal force. Option A, when intentionally uses force only. Option B, when it is used intentionally without consent, causing injury, fear, or annoyance. Option C, when it is used in self-defense. Option D, when it is used unintentionally. The correct answer is option B, when it is used intentionally without consent, causing injury, fear, or annoyance. Question number 87. According to Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita 2023, what is the maximum fine for making or using a document that resembles a currency note or a bank note under section 182(1)? Option A, 500 rupees. Option B, 300 rupees. Option C, 1000 rupees. Option D, 100 rupees. The correct answer is option B, 300 rupees. Question number 88. According to the provisions of the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita 2023, the right of private defense of property extends to the voluntary causing of death or of any other harm to the wrongdoer in which of the offences committed or attempting to be committed. Point number 1, robbery. Point number 2, housebreaking after sunset. Point number 3, theft, mischief, or house trespass. Option A, 1 and 3 both. Option B, 1 and 2 both. Option C, 1, 2 and 3. Option D, 1 only. The correct answer is option B, 1 and 2 both. Question number 89. Rajesh, in a heated argument with Sunil, strikes him with a heavy iron rod. The blow fractures Sunil's arm and he is unable to use for several weeks. The medical report confirms that the fracture amounts to grievous hurt. Which of the following offences has Rajesh committed? Option A, voluntarily causing grievous hurt under section 325 of IPC. Option B, voluntarily causing hurt under section 324 of IPC. Option C, attempt to commit culpable homicide under section 308 of IPC. Option D, simple hurt under section 323 of IPC. The correct answer is this question has been withdrawn because it is incorrect. Question number 90. Amit, intending to cause the death of Vijay, attacks him with a knife. Vijay sustains severe injuries and dies on the spot. The investigation reveals that Amit acted with the knowledge that his actions were likely to cause death. However, there is no evidence of premeditation or intent to murder Vijay. Which of the following offences has Amit committed? Option A, culpable homicide not amounting to murder under section 304 of IPC. Option B, causing death by negligence under section 304A of IPC. Option C, voluntarily causing grievous hurt under section 325 of IPC. Option D, murder under section 302 of IPC. The correct answer is option A, culpable homicide not amounting to murder under section 304 of IPC. Question number 91. Which article deals with the powers, privileges and immunities of Parliament and its members? Option A, 105. Option B, 108. Option C, 102. Option D, 107. The correct answer is option A, 105. Question number 92. Punishment for rape in cases where the victim is a woman below the age of 16 or 12 is included in which section of the BNS? Option A, 65. Option B, 63. Option C, 72. Option D, 64. The correct answer is option A, 65. Question number 93. A new offense of snatching has been introduced by the BNS. Which section of the BNS defines snatching as an offense? Option A, 303. Option B, 305. Option C, 304. Option D, 308. The correct answer is option C, 304. Question number 94. Consider the following statements and answer the question given below. Mr. Patel, being a police officer, receives a complaint and information that Raju was involved in a robbery of bank and has also helped to hide the valuable properties in his firm as stated by two villagers. Which this regard consider the following. The police officer Mr. Patel may arrest Raju without warrant when? Point number 1. Raju can be arrested only if he commits a non-cognizable offense in the presence of Mr. Patel. Point number 2. Since the reasonable complaint against Raju has been received and there is a strong suspension exists due to the testimony of villagers, he can be immediately arrested. Point number 3. Raju can be arrested only when he tries to escape or run away. Point number 4. Raju can be arrested so as to prevent him from making any inducement, threat or promise to any person acquainted with facts and circumstances. Which of the above is or the correct statement? Option A, 2 and 4. Option B, only 4. Option C, only 2. Option D, 1 and 3. The correct answer is option A, 2 and 4. Question number 95. BNSS introduced the provision of registration of FIR relating to commission of cognizable offense irrespective of area where the offense is committed. This FIR is known as dash. Option A, zero FIR. Option B, false FIR. Option C, counter FIR. Option D, NCR. The correct answer is option A, zero FIR. Question number 96. The BNSS mandates a forensic team to visit the crime scenes to collect evidence for offences punishable with imprisonment for at least dash years. Option A 4, option B 7, option C 5, option D 2. The correct answer is option B 7. Question number 97. Which section of the BNSS allows for trials in absentia of proclaimed offenders? Option A 349, option D 356, option C 366, option D 251. The correct answer is option B 356. Question number 98. Which section of BNSS facilitates trials and proceedings to be held in electronic mode? Option A 330, option B 430, option C 530, option D 532. The correct answer is option C 530. Question number 99. Which section of BNSS repeals the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Option A 101, option B 2, option C 1, option D 531. The correct answer is option D 531. Question number 100. Amit and Rani decides to break into a house at night with the intent of stealing valuables. They use a crowbar to force open the door, but before they can take anything, the owner of the house, Vikram, unexpectedly arrives home. Amit and Rani panic and run away without stealing anything. The police arrest them the following morning based on a complaint from Vikram. Which of the following offences under the BNS have Amit and Rani committed? Option A, house trespass with intent to commit theft. Option B, attempt to commit robbery. Option C, burglary. Option D, attempt to commit theft. The correct answer is option A, house trespass with intent to commit theft. This one video and the 3 videos made earlier, in total 4 videos can provide complete 100 questions of AIBE 19th exam and their related answers. So support us by subscribing to our AN Study Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.